guys, welcome to Rastec GH. We are going to continue. Okay, so now we are going to see how to hide files and folders. So how are we going to hide our files and folders? Okay, the first thing is you have to run our CMD, that is CMD. So this is our CMD, run as administrator. Okay, so we have our CMD here. So that is our command prompt. Okay, so now let's see something. Now, according to my drive, that is, I have two drives, that is drive C and drive E. That is my USB. And assuming you have so many drives, you have partitioned the drive. I hope you know how to partition. Okay, so you have drive C, D, E, and whatever. So we have to what? We are going to hide a certain files on this particular drive. Maybe that is Jetto GHS, right? So we want to hide some files, or if you have some files like, let me create that is empty file here, folder, and call it at RAS. That is RAS. Okay. RAS. Okay. So assuming I have some file here, so I have this movie. Let me put it in. So within this particular folder, then I have this particular file. That's the movie file over there. Okay. So now, because I've just run it as administrator, you see that the version here, that is I'm on drive C, that is Windows System 32. That is how it will come. Okay, so now the next thing is you have to locate to the particular drive that you want to work with. So I want to hide or that is files or folders in this particular drive E. So let's see how to locate your command prompt to that drive that you want to work with. So if it is drive E, you type E and then semicolon, you press enter. So you see that now I'm on drive E instead of drive C. If I want to come back, that is drive C, C semicolon. So I'm now on drive C, right? So let me go back to E. So E, that is semicolon. The E represent, that is the drive letter, right? So that is the drive letter here, E. Okay, so now on drive E. Now the next thing is, what are the programming language, or no, what are the terms, or what am I going to type here to get this particular thing hide? Okay, so that is very, very important. We have something called attribute, that is the system keyword, one of the keywords. So attribute, so you cue in, that is attribute. Then that is you want to hide a folder. Okay, that is I'm now on drive, that is this particular drive E. Okay, I want to hide RAS. So attribute, then the next thing is plus H, and then plus H plus that is plus R plus X, and then the folder name is RAS. Now let me explain it to you. This one is attributes, so this one is attribute, that is H. The H stand for hidden, that is the hidden, and the R stand for read only, and the X stand for the system. So that is the folder name. So that is hidden read only system RAS. So that is the meaning of that. So if I press enter, if you see, there's no RAS in this particular file again, right? But it's in the folder, it's in the drive, but you can't find it, right? So I've hide my folder over there. So if I give my computer to someone and the person want to see some secret information, you can see it. The moment you on the computer, you see all these things, but that particular folder that contains my documents, you will not see it, right? So you have to remember the folder name. The folder name is very, very important. The folder name is very, very important. You have to remember, you can write it somewhere. That is the folder name you have hide it on your system. Okay, so the next thing is, let's see how are we going to unhide it back. If you want to view some information, if I come back and view it, still you can't see RAS over here. So if you want to see some information on that particular drive that you have hide it, you have to unhide it before you can see those information. So let's see, what are the ways, or what are you going to queue in to unhide that particular folder so that we can view our information, then you hide it back again. Remember, if you hide it and you unhide it, you have to hide it again, because if you refuse to hide it again, the folder may be there, and anyone who takes your laptop or computer who comes near can see it. Okay, so you have to keep this thing in your mind. So if you want to unhide it, it's just a matter of changing the plus sign here to be negative or minus sign. So you key in the same. Remember, the folder is in drive E, so we've changed to what? Drive E. Okay, so you have to key in attrib. I think this particular one. So minus. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I've made a mistake. Okay, so attrib minus H minus, that is R. I need minus. That is minus H minus R minus X, and then the folder name continues. So let me key in the folder name in capital and C. Small letters here is small capitals in here. Let me make it small letters and let's see. Enter. Good. It means this particular command prompt is not case sensitive. When I talk about case sensitive, you are talking about if you use capital letters to hide something, it doesn't matter if you use small letters, still it will work, provided the names are the same, right? The name type are the same, whether it's capital or small, still it will work. So it's not what that. Okay, so you see, I have unhide the RAS. Now I can view my RAS over here and the documents, the files in there. Okay, so that is how we hide files and folders, right? So you can hide it and you can also what? Unhide it. See you in the next tutorial.